So GCLID, and this is what Mike was referring to, is the auto tagging. If you are generating leads, especially, and you want to track, so okay, let me go back a bit. When your conversions happen offline, i.e., in my funnel and in my case, and this is a really good example, somebody will opt in, watch the webinar or the masterclass or the VSL, then they'll book into the calendar. That's booked. That's a conversion done. They have not converted into a client. Google knows that we've got a booked, so we've got two custom conversions. One is an opt-in, one is a booked appointment. But Google doesn't know how much that client has spent or when they have converted. So using GCLID, we can import that value back into our CRM. From our CRM, I know this, John Smith came, he booked the appointment, and then he spent 5,000. Google needs to know that value. So through that, we can import it back into Google Ads, because that GCLID has got all the click details, which campaign, which ad, keywords, and so on, all the information it needs. So when it imports, and we use a Zapier to do that, and it can be all automated from your CRM. We use Go High Level, and the leads go into our Google Sheet. From there, it goes into Google Ads. So that is why we need to use this Click ID.